Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 15th, Wednesday morning, and grain markets getting a little bit of a bounce here this morning. We've had several days of downward pressure there, and certainly is a good reason for markets to be higher here this morning. The weather, we continue to watch it. It may not be the biggest focus right now, but certainly looks like we should get some more rain over the next 10 days across the Midwest. Estimates are anywhere from a half to an inch of rain, which certainly will be appreciated. There still will be some dry areas, and the rain right now is not going to help a lot of the corn, but certainly could be a good benefit for the soybean crop. Other news, Argentina and Australia, even Russia is getting some moisture, and that news is putting pressure on the wheat market and maybe giving a little bit of a tug to the downside pressure here to corn. Cash markets here in the U.S., stronger bids at Decatur for corn and soybeans yesterday. We've seen as much as 10 cents added to the soybeans. Reports now of 85 over the November contract in Decatur, and reports out of Kansas City that's as much as $1.15 over. Main reason there, producers are not selling because especially in central Illinois, where they have got poor crop, and the soybean crop is still a question mark of what kind of yield might be available there. So that's definitely giving some strength to the cash markets. The export market down at the Gulf for soybeans is continuing to be fairly strong as lack of farmer selling. However, we're hearing a reverse move on corn coming out of the Delta. Their harvest is underway, and they're continuing to have some very good yields down there, and reports that there's ethanol plants shipping barges up the Mississippi in order to get the supply of corn. So a little different twist to the corn movement, and we expect that we're going to see a lot of that as we move through the next several months and year until we get the next corn crop underway. So those are things to watch. We've got the world economic situation is weight here this morning as the dollar is stronger. Economic data coming out of China continues to verify that their economy is slowing, and that their growth rate will more than likely not meet that 7.5% that the trade and China were expecting. So that's causing some concern in the equity markets here this morning. It's some shift of investor dollars as we go forward here today. In the livestock market, very positive numbers coming out of there. On the beef side, cutout values were up $2.30 for choice. Excuse me. The select up $2.42. Pork was up 67 cents. So we're getting some increase in demand there, maybe from exports. Also, President Obama announced yesterday that there will be some government buying of meat. That provided some support for the cattle and hog markets yesterday. However, we're going into a seasonal period here where hog prices could stay weak while cattle prices continue to move higher. They've tested their some recent highs in the October cattle. Watch that today over the next several days here. If we can break through that, it certainly could give us an opportunity to add several more dollars to the upside. The pork complex is struggling in the October contract around $78. A close above that's needed to continue this move higher in the hogs. So a lot of things going on, a lot of reason to stay in touch as we go through this transition period from a supply side emotion in the markets to more of a demand-driven market. And in the grains, stay in touch with Allendale's research. Tune in to the Allendale webinar coming up on August 28th. Make sure you get signed up for that, and we'll have all the details on our website. Also, we've got our annual yield survey that we survey farmers, and your help is certainly appreciated there, and will be very beneficial in getting the right numbers out here for the September crop report. So stay tuned to that. Check out the website. We've got all the details on it. If you got any questions, give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.